So we have a scenario where agents need to be allowed to update stage and close date fields for multiple opportunities at once from the opportunity list views. And the solution here is going to be, one of the solution is we can create mass quick action and add that action to the opportunity list view so that the users can close up to 100 opportunity records from the list view at once. For that, we will go to Object Manager, and then we will navigate to Opportunity Object. And then we will create an action, new action, and we will give it a name. So we want to update those opportunity records, right? Updating those two fields will require update record action type. And then we can go with this standard label, which if you select this, it is going to be update opportunity. That's what it means basically. Let's give it a name. Set close date. We will just say update opportunity. And in the description, we will say set close date and stage. And then we'll click on save. We'll then navigate back to this page where we're going to identify which fields we want the users to update. So we don't want them to update amount field, so we can remove that. Next step can be removed. Count name can be removed. And we will keep these three fields. And then do a quick save. Then we will navigate to list view button layout. From there, we will update this list view to include that action. Here is that new action we created. We will add it here and then save. And then we will go to opportunity list views and access that button. So it's not here yet. Let's go ahead and do a refresh. Now it is here. And first thing what we'll need to do is we will need to first select the opportunities. And when we select the opportunities, we have to make sure that we select opportunities from the same record type. So if I click on this field, I can see that I have two different record types. These older records don't have record type, but these new ones have a record type. And I'm going to select these hardware record types only so that this action can work. If I select software as well, it will not work. So it requires the records to be from the same record type. I'll click on update opportunity. Let's set the name. Close date, for example, to this date. Stage is qualification. We'll give a name, opportunities to be qualified. And click on save. Update 3 records, click OK. And 3 records got updated. We scroll down and we will see these are the 3 opportunities that got updated. Close date and stage qualification.